Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Xiaomi Black Shark 3, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter the passwords and the security. Go for the password, and right now we can select between the pattern, pin, and also the password. So select your favorite. I'm going for the pattern. Read the description and click on the we got it. Draw out the pattern and draw it once again. Click on the confirm, and there's the notification about the fingerprint, but I don't want to add it. So right now we can check how it works. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.